What's up, guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We'll be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut third brake light tint. This is on a 2025 Subaru Forester. If you're getting linked to this video because you purchased one of our other products, same concept. There's a few other Subarus that this product does fit as well. So this is a two-piece one, so we're going to be starting with the bottom and then going to the top, or I guess the back side, not the top. But this is a dry application film, so no need for a slip solution. It has air release technology in the adhesive layer, so it allows all the air to escape, so you won't have bubbles forming as well. The only other things that you'll need are a squeegee or one of our tuck tools and a heat source. If you need any of those products, we have them available on our website as well. And the link for this, as well as the rest of the products that we offer for this vehicle, are in the video description below. So like I said, we'll go ahead and get started at the bottom. I already cleaned this, soap water, normal car soap and water. Once that dries off, then prior to installation, just hit it with a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a microfiber, let that dry off, and then you're ready to go. All this stuff's already completed. So we'll just jump right into the install. This is a little hard to do the bottom one, and I apologize if I'm in the way, but I'm gonna basically go under and get that aligned where it transitions, where the lamp stops basically. So once we have that down, we can go ahead and grab the heat source. Just heat up that film a little bit. Then continue to work it down with your fingers. So once that's all done, you have this front edge that you have to roll over. So we're gonna go ahead and heat that a little bit. And start to gradually bend that film over. Where that raised lettering is, if you hit that with a little bit of heat, you could get that film to conform around it. Next, you want to tuck in the sides or any overhang that you have on this bottom piece. So now that you have the bottom stuck on there, you can go ahead and do the back side. There is going to be a little bit of overlap there at the bottom. You want to make sure you have the film the right way. So on this, the larger curve is going to be at the top. So the one that has a sharper curve is towards the bottom. Same thing on this top piece. Go ahead and get it aligned, centered, and then start to work it down. Then you can hit it with the heat, especially over where the raised lettering is. So there you have the finished product. Again, this is the light smoke film. I'm not sure if I mentioned that previously in the video. The dark smoke film, same concept. It's just the film's a lot darker. It's almost like a black appearance, where this is like, you can still sort of see the red, but it's not overpowering. So if you have any questions, go ahead and drop us a line. Our contact information is on the website. And if you're interested in this product, the link for it is in the video description below, as well as the rest of the products that we offer for this particular model. All right, thanks for watching.